He's just walking over.
What are they doing? Just schooling or something?
Yeah, just your class.
Oh. We were already down here. We couldn't see them anymore because we thought this was like...
Softball go around there that way. I didn't know you guys were looking for
Yeah. We're like, where is she? We must have got the wrong ring.
Yeah.
And we're like, why do we need Bo?
Well, I guess she does.
We didn't see you. We were... No worries. We were down here and didn't see you, so we went back thinking it was...
I'm just gonna follow. That's